Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be creating our add new task view model, which is going to help us with by adding a new task into the core data. All right, this is going to be a very simple view model and a quick video. So we're going to simply create a new file, select Swift file template, and we're going to call this add new task view model. Okay, and once again we're going to create add new task view model, which is going to have just a single function called add task. Now add task is going to take two parameters. One is going to be the name of the task, second is going to be due on. So due date, we're going to set it to some random date because that's irrelevant when we are creating the task, and we're going to set it to an actual completed, let me back that up a little bit. All right, so due on is going to be the date that is provided by the user. Okay, completed on is going to be the date that we're going to set as a random date, which is going to be only visible when the task is marked as completed. Now when we are marking the task as completed, at that time we're going to update that date whenever the task is marked as completed. Okay, so we don't need basically an input from the user side on when the task is completed because it cannot be created in a completed state. All right, with that said, we only need two things from add task for add task operation in order to add a task into core data. One is the name of the task, what we want to do. The other is due on, when the task is due. Okay, and this is not date string, it is actually a date type. All right, and what we want to do with this data is we want to call core data and say add new record for task. Okay, all right, so we're gonna call data, call core data, and then we're gonna save name and due on, and along with other properties that we're gonna handle inside the core data manager, what and how we need to populate that. All right, and this function is, or this view model is going to help us with the creation of adding a new task. All right, with that, like I said, this was going to be a small video, so we are done with this one, and in the next video we are going to start working towards our core data manager, which is going to have all the logic for the core data initialization, saving, deleting, and marking basically the state completed, or updating a record with a completed state. Okay, so all that coming up in the next video where we're going to be creating our core data manager. All right, I'll see you guys there. Thank you.